Quick disclaimer before we start. This video is for educational purposes only. I'm not promoting piracy in any way. Always support game developers and buy games legally whenever possible. This video is just to explain what FitGirl Repack is and the risks involved so you can stay safe online. Ever seen a 100 gigabyte game squeezed into a 5 gigabyte download and wondered how? That's where FitGirl Repack comes in. If you've been into PC gaming for a while, you've probably heard the name. FitGirl is the online alias of a person known for creating compressed versions of PC games. The idea is simple and tempting. Take huge games, 80 or 100 gigabytes, and compress them down so they're faster to download. These are called repacks, the full game plus any necessary cracks to make them run without paying. Important detail. According to FitGirl, they don't make the cracks themselves. They take existing cracked versions from groups like Codex or CPY and then repackage them. FitGirl also claims their repacks from the official site don't contain viruses or malware. And honestly, many people who download from the real FitGirl site confirm the files are clean. But here's the danger, and this is huge. There are tons of fake FitGirl websites out there. Hackers copy the design perfectly, but instead of real game files, they hide malware inside the downloads. That malware can do anything from stealing your passwords, banking info, or game accounts, to installing ransomware that locks your computer until you pay. Even if you're on the real site, cracked games can sometimes include hidden keyloggers, which secretly record every key you press. That means they could access your email, PayPal, Steam, or even your bank. And don't forget, piracy is illegal in many countries. Even if you manage to download a game without getting hacked, you could still be breaking the law. So, is FitGirl Repack safe? From the real official site, it's generally clean, but only if you know exactly what you're doing and you double-check every file. From anywhere else, it's a huge risk. You're gambling with your personal info and your PC's safety. Bottom line, if you're not 100% sure you're on the official site, and you don't know how to protect yourself with antivirus, VPN, and sandbox tools, it's better to stay away. CTA, catchy closer. Stay smart, stay safe. And if a download sounds too good to be true, it probably is.